Would you like to have a binary option robot that can trade completely automatically for you for Pocket Option? You have come to the correct place. Pocket Option Auto Trader is completely for free, and in this video I will run it on a small timeline so you can see how good it is. So just use the link that you find below the video and you can get started today completely free. Also, if you want to never lose a video just like this one, make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Okay, and help me out, like this video and make a comment below. All this help so I get more views on this type of videos and make it more fun for me to make this type of content. In this video also I have started, so I add so you can see which strategy I use, timeline, everything on screen. Okay, so with that, let's start. Let's see how we do.
Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside, I got bad intentions. Making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I'll show you the road, piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots that they wanna just walk, if you know that you know. Sweet it up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. I'm ready for war, I was born with a blade. This is the trend,
And there, once again, we reached our target. You can see we got a 75% win rate. I'm super happy with that. So, as you can see, we can trade on 5 seconds, even on cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. So with that, if you want this spot also, you find link below the video, so you also can get started today completely for free. So with that, have an amazing day.